a messy mind.
Hi everyone, so in this tutorial I'm just gonna teach you guys that how you can make your eyes look pretty and make them pop. And as you can see that my eyes are brown, so I'm just gonna highlight the brown color of my eyes through this makeup tutorial. So let's get started. So I'm just starting with my clean and moisturized face. So first of all, I'm just gonna use a primer, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of primer and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face just like this, and then I'm just gonna blend it really nicely into my skin. All the products I'm using in this tutorial will be linked in the description box, and you can purchase them easily from the beauty store by Big Basket. Then I'm taking some foundation on back of my hand, and then I'm just applying the foundation all over my face, and then with the help of a blending brush I'm just gonna buff the foundation into my skin really nicely. And I'm also applying some of the foundation to my lid areas as well, because I have pigmented eyelids, so foundation helps to cover that pigmentation and a little bit of darkness. The best part of the beauty store by Big Basket is that all the beauty products now are available at your doorstep, just like groceries. So that's a really nice thing that they have come up with this new store. And then I'm using this concealer, and I'm just applying under my eye area, around my mouth, and wherever I need like pigmentation and spots and scars. And then with the help of a blending brush I'm just gonna blend all the concealer into my skin. Then I'm gonna apply a loose powder, a translucent loose powder, wherever I have applied the concealer, just to set the concealer. And I'm applying the loose powder to the areas where I get more oily, like bridge of my nose and also my lids, because my lids tend to crease a lot. So this will help my lids not to crease much. So yeah, then I'm just gonna take my eyebrow pencil and I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows really in, because your eyebrows can actually define your eyes, so it's a really important step. And you can see the difference how much can eyebrows make. Then I'm gonna take a fluffy clean brush and I'm just gonna dust off all the excess loose powder, and I'm just gonna blend the powder into my skin just like this. And then let's just move towards the eyes. So for eyes I'm using a champagne colored eyeshadow, and I'm just using this eyeshadow just as like a highlighting eyeshadow, and I'm just applying to the middle of my eyelid area and to my brow bone just to highlight my eyes a little bit. And I'm just gonna apply the same eyeshadow to my inner corners to make my eyes look brighter. And then I'm gonna take a blue pencil eyeshadow and I'm just gonna line my eyes with it, because I have brown eyes and blue is a very complementary color for brown eyes. Your eyes are instantly brighter and it starts popping when you apply blue eyeshadow if you have brown eye. And then I'm just gonna take a black liquid liner and I'm just gonna line very close to my lash line, not covering the blue eyeliner, and I'm just applying a very thin eyeliner just to define my eyes just like this, and also filling the gaps between the blue eyeliner and my lash line. So, and I'm also pointing inwards a little bit, and I'm just taking a white pencil eyeliner and I'm just applying to my waterline. It will actually helps my eyes to look much bigger and brighter. And I'm taking the same white pencil and I'm just applying into the inner corners and blending it with my pinky finger, and you can see instantly my eyes look more brighter and highlighted. Then I'm gonna take the same blue eyeliner and I'm just applying to my lower lash line, just a little bit towards the outer corner, not too much. And then I'm just gonna take my mascara and I'm just gonna apply a few good coats of mascara to my upper and lower lash line both. Then I'm gonna take this dirty pink blush and I'm just gonna apply it to my cheekbones, and I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. It's a very muted dirty pink blush which is suitable for every day, and I really love this blush. And I'm just gonna take the same blush and I'm just gonna squeeze my brush like this. I'm just gonna contour my nose with the same blush just to make my nose a little bit of more slimmer and in shape. And then I'm just taking this highlighter and I'm applying a very little amount to the highest points of my cheekbones, just to get that really nice shine. And with the same I'm just applying to my bridge of nose, cupid's bow, a little bit, not too much. Now let's come to the lips, and for the lips I'm using this really pretty nudish pinkish lipstick, and I got it from the beauty store by Big Basket, and I'm just gonna apply all over my lips. And yeah, so you can see it's a very pretty shade as well. And this is the complete look. You can see my eyes are popping with this blue color, and with all this bright eyes I have kept everything muted, and this is how the whole look looks. It's a very nice look for a college going girl. Yeah, you can wear it every day. I really hope you liked this tutorial. I enjoyed it while doing it, and I really hope you have a great experience with the beauty store by Big Basket just like I did. And yeah, that's it for the video. I will be linking all the details in the description box so you can just check it out, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye.